What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Solana. Looks like we're pushing up in our wave 5. We're sitting at $57, down 1.4 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 24.39 billion. 24 volume 3.23 billion. So if we look at the chart, as you can see, nice reaction, beautiful reaction to our wave 4 pullback zone. So of course there is potential that we now push up in the wave 5. We're up 11% on the day. Solana just loves to move on its own. Where's all my tools? Okay, so we're going to use fib extension, bottom of 2, top of 3, bottom of 4. Target the 618 to the 78.6. It can overextend, but that would be your normal target for a wave 5. In between $64 and $68 for that potential wave 5. For our friend Solana, that's your target. So do watch for that. If we roll over, we break the 50%, then it's likely the impulse is finished. But I think there's a good chance we do push up in that wave 5 in between $64 and $68. It can overextend, but that would be the minimum target, in my opinion. Break that wave 3 high. Taking a look at our next chart on the daily, amazing. So just absolutely exploding to the upside. So you can see here on the chart, this is the last resistance until all the way up here at about $69. So anything can happen. Could just explode, but we'll drop that in here. Drop in that resistance zone. So that's your next major resistance for Sol, in between $68 and $80. We are just absolutely exploding. We're overbought, but this is what happens when you go parabolic, right? So it would be healthy to see some pullback. So once we put in that higher high, if we do start to come back in that wave 2, that's when we'll look to enter our next trade. We had a Solana trade. We made over 100% profit in the Discord. I'll pop it open quickly. And we did really well on that Sol trade. Here it is right here. Over 100% profit on that trade. TP3 was around $47 and now we're at $57. Absolutely insane. So that's what I'm looking at for Solana. Target $64 to $68 for the wave 5. I think that's more probable. Just remember, anything can happen in the crypto space. And that next major resistance after this is all the way up in between $68 and about $80. Where's our target zone? $64 to $68. Yeah, so that would be right up to the next resistance at $68 for Sol. But would be healthy to see some pullback soon. All right, gang, that's it for this one. My signals are $10 a month. First, sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I'm doing my trading. No KYC, no VPN. For all my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My signals are $10 a month. Daily crypto analysis. My exact trade setups. Crush it on Sol, ETH. We also crush it on Matic. Crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. And Mahado all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're in silver right now. We're looking to get into gold. We killed it on US oil. $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button. Subscribe. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.